After their magical wedding, Liana and Prince Arion ruled Orelise with kindness and light. The people called them the Dream King and Queen. But far beyond the mountains, in a land covered with mist, something ancient had awakened. Deep inside the forgotten kingdom of hearts, an enchanted mirror cracked, and from it, a shadowy woman emerged. Her name was Queen Morva, once a fairy, now cursed by envy. She whispered into the night, "If love can heal the world, then I shall make the world forget love." One evening, a dark mist swept through the palace. Liana's reflection in the mirror blinked, but she didn't. Moments later, Arion awoke to find his queen gone. In her place stood a glass rose, glowing with fading light. Desperate, Arion sought help from the same fairy who once blessed Liana. The fairy sighed, "To find her, you must travel to the Forgotten Kingdom, where hearts sleep and memories fade." Arion rode through storms, mountains, and endless fog until he reached the ruins of an old castle. There, he saw 1,000 statues, lovers frozen in time, and in the center stood Liana, trapped in glass, her eyes still shining with tears. Morva appeared, her voice echoing. She loved too deeply. That is her curse. But Arion placed his hand on Liana's heart and whispered, "If love is a curse, I choose it forever." His tears touched her crystal skin, and a spark of light burst through the air. The curse shattered. Morva screamed as the mirror behind her broke into pieces, releasing all the frozen hearts. Liana fell into Arion's arms, whispering weakly, "True love doesn't break, it remembers." As dawn rose, the ruins turned into golden fields, and the fairy's voice echoed, "Love remembered is love reborn." Even in the darkest kingdom, love finds its way home. Don't miss the next story, The Tears of the Lost Fairy, where an ancient secret will return to test their fate.